Hello everyone, myself Govindas Pute, lecturer at Pravara Medical Trust College of Pharmacy, Shevgaon. My subject is Pharmaceutics Second. Under this subject, we learn about chapter Dental and Cosmetic Preparations. In this chapter, in last lecture, we discussed about the dentifrices. Dentifrices are the preparations meant to be applied to the teeth with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleaning and accessible surface of the teeth. Dentifrices used in cases such as cleansing the tooth, polishing the tooth, removal of strain from the teeth, a reduced incidence of tooth decay, reduction of mouth odor, reduction of periodontal disease, prevention of formation or removal of dental plug, prevention of formation of calculus. Then good qualities of dentifrices as like it should be economical, should be non-toxic, should be properly sweetened and flavored, should give fresh and clean sensation, should be clean the teeth. Then ingredients such as abrasive is also called as polishing agent and are used to remove debris and residual strain from the teeth surface without damaging it. Binder are used to keep the solid and liquid bind in the united form and to maintain the consistency. Detergent, these are surface active agents which are used to enhance the action of abrasive. Flavoring agent, these are included in the preparation to impart flavor to the preparation. Humectant, these are used in toothpaste to retain moisture and will not allow the paste to become dry. Preservative, the preservative are included in the dentifrices formulation to prevent the growth of bacteria in the toothpaste. Sweetening agent, these are included in dentifrices to impart sweet taste to the penetration. Therapeutic agent, these are included only in medicated toothpaste in order to check dental disease and to remove bad smell. Then some formulations of dentifrices, liquid dentifrices, tooth powder and also toothpaste. Then discuss about the facial cosmetics. Facial cosmetics are used for the cleaning, refreshing and nourishing effect. They are available in the form of solid, liquid or semi-solid. The various type of facial cosmetics are available in the market to preserve the health and suppleness of facial skin. Then we discuss about some example like face powder. Face powder is a cosmetic preparation meant for improvement of overall attractiveness of the face. Now next point, that under the facial preparation rouges, these are the cosmetic preparation which are applied to the cheeks for the enhancing the face beauty. हे फक्त चीकवरती अप्लाय केले जातात चीकची ब्युटी एनहान्स करण्यासाठी. It also impart and stimulate the rosy freshness of the young and healthy skin. It is used by ladies to add to their beauty. The color of rouge may vary from pink to red or reddish brown color. The shade of the rouge depends on the type and quantity of color mixed with it. It is available in solid, liquid or cream form. Solid are stable and easy to apply. The dry compact is applied by means of puff. They have given one formula. In formula, use the ingredients such as talcum powder, zinc oxide, zinc stearate, rinse starch, perfume and color. Perfume and color have quantity sufficient. Talcum powder have 80 gram, zinc oxide 5 gram, zinc stearate 5 gram, and rice starch is the 10 gram. The Hauman method, in which powder and mix all the ingredients thoroughly, incorporate sufficient quantity of perfume and color. The molded mass is pressed to expel the air from the interstices of powder particles. After the compact have been formed, they are dry at a uniform rate of temperature to avoid a dry mist and an undesirable top cast. The next one, cold cream. Cold cream is an emulsion which, when applied on the skin, a cooling effect is produced due to slow evaporation of water present in the emulsion. They are generally prepared by emulsification of oils and water. In olden days, cold cream was prepared from animal fat and vegetable oils. Vegetable oil have the tendency to become rancid. They are replaced by mineral oil, which gives a more stable product. Cold creams are oil in water type emulsion, but after application on the skin, sufficient water evaporates to permit phase inversion to water in oil type of emulsion. Then some examples formula for the cold cream, in which they use the beeswax 5 gram, liquid paraffin 45 gram, white soft paraffin 10 gram, hard paraffin 7, borax 0.2, water 32, perfume and preservatives in quantity sufficient. This is one formula. Again, another one formula is the beeswax, liquid paraffin, borax, water, perfume and preservatives. For this, they give the general method of preparation, in which they say melt the wax, hard paraffin, white soft paraffin on a water bath. Then add liquid paraffin and heat the mixture to 70 degrees Celsius. Dissolve the borax in water at 75 degrees Celsius and add to melted fats with continuous stirring. Cool with stirring to 40 degrees Celsius. Add the required quantity of preservative and perfume. Transfer the cream to the container while hot. This is the general method of preparation of cold cream. Next one is the cleansing cream. Cleansing cream are used to remove all facial makeup. क्लिन्झिंग क्रीम कशासाठी यूज करतात? मेकअप केलेला मेकअप रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी, चेहऱ्यावरती केलेला मेकअप रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी. दे आर ऑल्सो यूज टू इम्प्रूव्ह द हेल्थ अँड गुड appearance of the skin, which require frequent cleansing to remove grime, sebum and other secretion, dead cells and apply makeup. These are basically cold cream containing a detergent for cleaning action. They also contain other ingredients which help to soften, lubricate and protect the skin. In case of oil and water type of cleansing cream, twins are used along with detergent to remove dirt. Pepsin is added to make the facial skin smooth. In which an effective cleansing cream should have as features: it should be liquefied at body temperature, it should have low viscosity to permit easy spreading, it should not contain chemical that would be quickly absorbed by the skin, it should leave the skin smooth, non-greasy and clean, it should penetrate the epidermis of skin to open the pores. Then types of cleansing cream, they have 3 types, you can see on slide: liquefying cleansing cream, emulsified cream of oil in water type, emulsified cream of water in oil type. Liquefying cleansing cream, this consists of simple mixture of mineral oils or synthetic fatty minerals with hydrocarbon waxes, paraffin wax, etc. In modern formulations, cetyl or stearyl alcohols are also included. They have formula isopropyl methystate, liquid paraffin, white soft paraffin, and paraffin wax. In method, they say melt and mix all the ingredients at about 65 degrees Celsius. Cool with constant stirring until the mixture is a little over solidifying point. Pour into the final container and pack. Emulsifying cream, oil and water type, in which beeswax or borax cream is an example of this type of cream. Formula: beeswax 12 gram, liquid paraffin 53 gram, bentonite 0.7, borax 0.7, water 33.2 ml, isopropyl alcohol 0.4 ml. In method, they say triturate bentonite, isopropyl alcohol, and part of liquid paraffin. Heat it with beeswax to 75 degrees Celsius. Dissolve borax in water at 70 degrees Celsius and slowly incorporate with the oil phase with stirring. Continue the stirring till the temperature comes down to 40 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. Pour into final container and pack. Third one is the emulsifying cream. These types of cream are stabilized by the use of non-ionic emulsifier. They also have different formula in which you use ingredients are liquid paraffin 50 gram, paraffin wax 5 gram, bentone 0.7 gram, water 43.9 ml, isopropyl alcohol 0.4 ml. In which method they say that triturate bentonite with isopropyl alcohol and part of liquid paraffin to disperse bentonite. The gel which is formed is heated with paraffin wax and liquid paraffin to 75 degrees Celsius. Heat the water to 70 degrees Celsius and mix slowly with the above oil phase with stirring. Continue the stirring till a desired consistency is obtained. Pour the emulsifying cream into the final container and pack it. Next one is the vanishing cream. These are oil in water type emulsion which when applied to the skin leave an almost invisible layer on it. Hence they are called vanishing cream. These creams can be quickly washed off with water due to the presence of oil in water emulsifier. Vanishing cream are prepared by emulsification of stearic acid and water by means of alkali such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, borax, triethylamine, etc. The main ingredient in vanishing cream is stearic acid, which give a purely white shining appearance to the cream, which on application gives a thin white film of free stearic acid. Finished quality triple press stearic acid having melting point of about 55 degrees Celsius is normally used. It provides an oil phase which melt above body temperature, provide an invisible and non-greasy film and can produce very attractive appearance. The consistency and texture of the cream also depends on the quantity of stearic acid, the amount of acid sponified and nature of alkali used. Sodium hydroxide makes a harder cream than potassium hydroxide. They have formula in which use the stearic acid 18 gram, glycerin 3 gram, lanolin 2 gram, triethylamine 1 gram, water 80 ml, preservative 1 gram and perfume have quantity sufficient. Method in which melt the stearic acid and lanolin, mix water, glycerin and triethylamine and warm to some temperature as that of melted stearic acid and lanolin. Mix the two with continuous stirring, add the preservative and perfume. Mix them thoroughly in order to obtain a uniform product. Then next one is the foundation cream. These are designed to be applied to the face after cleansing to provide a smooth emollient base for application of facial makeup. They also act as a skin protective to prevent the damage caused by environmental factors like sun or wine. They are often designated as beauty milk. Foundation cream are mostly oil in water type emulsion, whereas water in oil type preparations are available for dry skin. Qualities of ideal foundation cream, as it should provide a non-greasy and non-occlusive film on the face. It should remain stable. It should not damage the skin. It should improve the adhesion of face powder for a longer period of time. They have two type: oil in water type used for the dry skin, water in oil type used for the oily skin. The main ingredient of foundation cream are fatty materials, stearic acid, alkalis, glycerins, surfactant, emulsifying agent, preservative and perfumes. The fatty materials like beeswax, curcuma wax, lanolin and mineral oil are used to provide emollient effect. Ionic and non-ionic surfactant and alkalis are included in the preparation for emulsification. Titanium dioxide is used to impart more dark and intense color to the skin, so as to cover the skin blemishes and other skin mark. Benzoic acid 0.2% and salicylic acid 0.2% are generally used to preserve the foundation cream. They have one formula for the foundation cream in which use ingredient as stearic acid 18 gram, potassium hydroxide 0.52 gram, sodium hydroxide 0.18 gram, cetyl alcohol 0.50 ml, glycerin 18 gram, water 62.2 ml. Preservative and perfumes are quantity sufficient. In which they say the method: heat together stearic acid, cetyl alcohol at 75 degrees Celsius till homogeneous mass is produced. Dissolve potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide in water. Add glycerin into it. Heat the mixture at 75 degrees Celsius. Add this solution to the heated mixture of stearic acid and cetyl alcohol. Continue to stir until temperature falls to 40 degrees Celsius. Add perfume at 40 degrees Celsius and allow cream to stand. Pass through a mill or homogenizer to produce a smooth cream. Moisturizing cream. These creams are designed to be left on the skin for several hours. These creams are applied at night. Their application during daytime is not very useful. The occlusive layer of these creams slow the rate of transdermal or transepidermal water loss, thus having a moisturizing cream or moisturizing effect. It also helps to make the skin surface smooth by its lubricating action. Moisturizing creams serve as they maintain moisture content and prevent the dry condition of the skin. They protect the skin against the growth of bacteria. They keep the skin fresh and natural. They help to preserve the skin very soft. These creams are also used on the skin before makeup. These creams contain mineral oil, vegetable oil, lipophilic substance, humectant like glycerin, sorbitol, propylene glycol and water. In preparation for eye makeup, in which first eyeshadow, here is shows that actual spelling is SHADOW, eyeshadow. That is correct, eyeshadow. These are preparations meant to produce an attractive, moist looking background of color to the eyes. The eyeshadow is applied to the eyelids. Eyeshadow are available in large number of shades, but blue, green, grey, gold and silver shades are very common. They are available in form eyeshadow cream. These are prepared by mixing selected color in the wax bases or with petroleum. Eyeshadow stick. These are prepared from high proportion of waxes. Example, curcumba wax. Then press powder eyeshadow. These are compact rush with a different color system. Liquid eyeshadow. These are the liquid suspension or a liquid dispersion of pigment. The next one is here is the type of eyeshadow. First one is the eyeshadow cream. These are prepared by mixing the selected color in the wax bases or with petroleum. Then eyeshadow stick. These are prepared from high proportion of waxes, for example curcumba wax. Powder press eyeshadow. These are compact with ranges with the different color system. And liquid eyeshadow. These are the liquid suspension or a liquid dispersion of pigment. The next one, eyebrow pencils. Eyebrow pencils are hard crayons which are used for darkening the eyebrows. These are available in brown or black color and are generally manufactured by the pencil manufacturers. The brown eyebrow pencil contains black iron oxide. The eyebrow pencils contain a high proportion of waxes to make them hard, so that they can be molded as a thin stick and sharpened to a point. Then mascara. Mascara is a black pigmented preparation for application to the eyelashes or eyebrow to beautify the eyes. It is used to darken the eyelashes and to increase their apparent length. It is applied with a brush. Mascara available in forms like cake mascara, cream mascara and liquid mascara. In which cake mascara, it is prepared by mixing the color, for example lamp black with metal wax material. Cream mascara, it is prepared by mixing the pigment into a vanishing cream base. And liquid mascara, it is an alcoholic solution of resin in which carbon black is suspended. Some ideal mascara ads should not cause irritation to the eye, should be non-toxic, should be applied easily, evenly and smoothly. It should not cause eyelashes to stick together.